I love one skillet meals, and this one's a good one, good enough to serve company. I put some oil down, some olive oil, got it nice and hot in a cast iron, and I'm browning the chicken on both sides. It is pretty much at 165, but I'm gonna nestle it back in. I add in the same skillet some butter, and I have onions, a whole plum tomato, and there's a little garlic. We'll add that in a minute, but let's get the onions and tomatoes in there first in the butter. Stir, stir, stir until those are tender. Now I'll go back and grab my garlic so it doesn't scorch and put that in. It is fresh garlic. We add some chicken broth after like about 2 minutes of the garlic in there, and then a whole bunch. I used, I think, almost a whole bag of the baby spinach, but it wilts down, believe me. So just get it going down. Heavy cream is almost necessary. I have used half and half in the past, but it's just not the same. And all you're going to do now, because the spinach can cook lickety-split, is I'm nestling that same chicken, and don't forget that good juice that it rendered off. See, I'm going to pour that in there. The chicken flavor from it frying, and now that, along with the chicken broth and the cream, onion, and whatnot. This is a delicious meal served with, we have egg noodles this time. I've served it with rice. I've even served it when I had my brother come over for dinner. There it is. One meal, one skillet. Yum.